Good morning, dear students. Chapter number 6, triangles, theorem number 1. DPT theorem. This is also known as a Thales theorem. DPT full form, basic proportionality theorem. Statements of DPT theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other sides are divided in the same ratio. Here you can see a line D is drawn parallel to side BC of triangle ABC, and line DE is intersecting the other two lines of triangle ABC. Other two lines here are AB and AC. So D is intersecting AB at point D and AC at point E. Then other two sides AB and AC are divided in same ratio, means AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. Fine. Once again you listen statement so that you remember it. A line D is drawn parallel to side BC of triangle ABC, and D line is intersecting other two lines AB and AC at two distinct points D and E. Then this line DE is dividing line AB and AC in the same ratio, means AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. This we have to prove. Given a triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC given, BPT will be applicable in a triangle when one side is given parallel to other side of triangle. Construction you can see here, join B and CD. Draw this line B, or we can say join B and CD. This is construction. Draw DM perpendicular to AE. This is AE, or you can say AC also. AE and AC, because DM is perpendicular to AE also and AC also. Write down here AC. DM perpendicular to AC, and EN, this EN is perpendicular to AB. Fine. Now see the area of triangle ADE equals to 1 upon 2 AD into EN. Here you can see that you know the formula, area of triangle equals to 1 upon 2 base into height. In ADE triangle, if you see AD is a base, and on this base AD, EN is perpendicular. So AD is a base of triangle ADE, and EN is height. EN is perpendicular, or we can say height of triangle ADE, because we know the formula 1 upon 2 base into height. So base is AD here, fine, and height is EN. Student, on which line we are drawing the perpendicular, that line is working as base, and line which is perpendicular to other line, that is height. So EN is height here. Similarly, you see area of triangle, and you know one more thing here, area of triangle AED we can write like this also. In 9th class we were writing like this, area AR short form of triangle ADE equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. This triangle similar you apply or not, no problem. Don't apply here, because this only symbol means area of triangle ADE. Similarly, area of triangle BDE, this is a triangle BDE. So area of triangle BDE equals to 1 upon 2 base into height. Again this formula, same formula you will apply. But check here what is base. In triangle BDE, this is base. Why this is base? This you understand here. Suppose this triangle we are given BDE, fine. But if you see in this figure, this DE is not perpendicular. This is not making 90 degree. Here it is not 90 degree. If you extend it further, BD you extend further, and then you draw a line from here, and that is making 90 degree angle. So that this line will be perpendicular on line this BD on extending further. So you can see here this triangle, in triangle BED, I extended BD further to point N. Then I draw a line from E that is perpendicularly falling on BD on extending further till N. So here it is also making 90-degree angle. So I told you perpendicular falling on which line, that will be the base. So this EN perpendicular falling on BD further on extension. So BD is base and height is EN. Don't get confused that sir this line is coming out of triangle. Triangle I am taking this, but this line is coming out of triangle. Don't worry about this. On extension also, if you getting a perpendicular line, so that will be your perpendicular, and this will be your base. BD will be your base. BD will be your base. This BN will not be a base. BD will be base. Fine. So area of triangle BD equal to 1/2 BD into EN. BD into EN. Same case you will apply to the other side also. Area of triangle ADE. Again I am finding area of triangle ADE. Now you can see here, this is base and this is perpendicular. DM is perpendicular on AE. So here now AE will become base and DM will be perpendicular on AE. Means DM will be height. So AE base and DM is height. So 1/2 base into height is the area of triangle ADE. Again, when I take AD and DM, when I take AE as a base and DM as a height. Similarly, now you find the area of triangle DEC. DEC. Area of DEC will be equal to 1/2 base into height. So you can see here, I draw a line DM on CE when I extend CE further. So DM is a height and EC is a base, as I did here. Fine. So EC base and DM is height. So EC base into DM height. 1/2 base into height. This is the area of triangle DEC. Now you can see here, I divide these two equations, ADE and DEC. I am not taking it as equation because it may confuse you, because there will be a lot of equations. So you just think yourself, this is first equation, this is second equation. Divide first equation, divide first and second equation like this. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC equal to 1/2 base is AE and height is DM. This upon this. This upon this equal to this upon this. I have divided. Fine. You will get AE upon EC because DM and half will cancel. You will get AE upon EC. This is equation 1. Now in second step, I will divide area of triangle ADE and area of triangle BDE. This upon this and this upon this. I am going to take on next page. ADE upon area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BD equal to 1/2 base into height, 1/2 base into height. So when you cancel these, you get AD upon BD. This is equation 2. Fine. So now you know that triangle BDE and triangle DEC. Triangle BDE and triangle DEC. This triangle and this triangle. Both are on the same base, DE. So 9th class theorem you remember. Since triangle BDE and triangle DEC are on the same base and between same parallels BC and DE, so area of both the triangle will be equal. This is the theorem in 9th class. Area of triangle BD equal to area of triangle DEC. Now you can check here. I have written here as it indirectly, so I am explaining it further. You in equation 1 you get this on the last page, and on this page we have got equation 2 like this. Both the equation I have got. Now you see, if you put a BD area of triangle BD equal to area of triangle DEC in this equation, equation 1. What do you get? Put area of triangle BD equal to area of triangle DEC in equation 1 because we know this. So what do you get? Area of ADE upon area of BDE equal to, on place of this we are putting this because these are equal. So you will get area of ADE upon area of BDE, area of BDE equal to AE upon EC. Now you check equation 2 and this. These two are equal, so these will also be equal. So I have written it directly here. AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. This is our answer. Means proved. Ratio of two sides of triangle are equal. Fine. Student, this theorem I have taught you from NCERT, page number 124. You can go to the page number 124. You can see the same solution is given in the book, and you can understand from there also. You can copy from there also.